Yeah, I think it was 4 years ago when I started working for UNICEF here on the island, and I heard that there were 10 years ago 2 interns at the Court of Guardianship who worked on the child helpline already. So the plan was actually on the shelves and ready to get started. Only, we were 10 years later, so it needed to start back up. I reached out to UTEL, UTS, Telem Group, and every phone company was enthusiastic to get on board, to have the children make their international calls for free. And so from there, we connected to the child helpline Aruba, and that is something amazing, because we need to have the specialist on board and that they know how to answer the questions of the children. So from there, I think 2 years ago, it went a little difficult because we got a number already, and but the difficulty was to connect all the phone lines to the phone company on Aruba, and there I got stuck. So, and the Ministry of VWS was also on board, so I was very happy that they took over and they took care of the last part of the whole project and made it really happen.